We are continue our chapter open channel flow. So next point is there. We are find out the velocities in open channel flow of the liquid. So by using the two formulas, find out the velocity of open channel flow. So first we are assume the certain assumptions. So first assumption is the flow is steady flow असायला पाहिजे. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड चॅनल इज ए प्रिस्मॅटिक channel. Prismatic channel, they are the type of the channel we have already discussed in the first lecture. त्याच्यानंतर third one assumption, our channel bed slope is small bed slope. These are the three assumptions are considered first during the find out the velocity of open channel flow. So these are the first formula to find out the velocity. These are the Chezy's formula. These are the Chezy's formula. We will find out the velocity of open channel flow. This V is equal to C square root of R into S. These are the various parameters. These are the C. These are the Chezy's constant. And this depends on the unit weight of the liquid or the unit weight of this liquid flowing in the open channel. So these are depends on their unit weight and also depends on their friction. So which type of material is used for making a bed or making a channel. So this depends on their two factors. The unit weight of the liquid and also depends on their friction factor. So this Chezy's constant is depends. So find out by this square root of this gamma divided by F. In MSBT exams, where the Chezy's constant are directly given to you. So त्याच्यानंतर another parameter, they are the R means they are the hydraulic mean depth. We have already discussed in the first chapter or first lecture. These are the geometrical properties of this open channel flow. These are the hydraulic mean depth. Means how to calculate? These are the area of this section divided by perimeter, weighted perimeter of the channel. Okay, so R and another parameter in the formula, they are the S is the bed slope. They depends on their bed slope. म्हणजे चॅनलचा जो longitudinal slope आहे तो slope म्हणजे these are the S. So these are the three parameters. They are the C is the Chezy's constant, R is the hydraulic mean depth. They are found out by depends on their cross section area of the channel and also depends on their weighted perimeter. For example means these are the rectangular channel having the width is the B and the depth of flow these are the D. So these are area of the channel काय झालं, area is the B into D and this one is the area and weighted perimeter काय येईल, these are the weighted length of the channel. This one ही किती असणार आहे, this one D and this one is the B. So these are the B plus 2 times D. These are the weighted perimeter. So we have getting the perimeter, we have getting the area. So this ratio getting the hydraulic radius and also S is also bed slope. These are also given. These are the depends on their design of the channel. Okay. So याच्यावर मी फाइंड आउट करू शकतो velocity of the open channel flow by using the Chezy's formula. Another formula, we have also used this formula Manning's formula. Manning's formula. These are also find out the velocity. These two formulas are used for to find out the velocities. They are the different two formulas. They are the V is equal to 1 upon n r raised to 2/3 s raised to half. Okay. So in these parameters, they are the different n is the roughness coefficient. Roughness coefficient, this depends on the different surfaces of the channel. For example, our channel is a bed, is a smooth cement plaster or planed wood, so these are the different roughness coefficient. Our channel lining is a brick lining or stone lining, so these are also depends on their roughness coefficient. So this n parameters depends on their which type of lining is used in the channel. Lining means these are the, for example, this one is the rectangle channel, so these are the inner part is also maybe concrete surface or maybe brick lining or stone lining. These are the different surface lining. Different materials are used, so these are depends on their roughness coefficient. So these are considered as a n, depends on their which type of material. For example, स्मूथ सिमेंट प्लास्टर जर आपण तिथं लायनिंगसाठी यूज केलं असेल तर त्याच्यासाठी n कन्सिडर केला जातो 0.010. त्याच्यासाठी फॉर स्मूथ सिमेंट प्लास्टर. So these are the different material use केलं असेल. So in MSBT exam, these are the n is directly given. So which type of material is used and this roughness coefficient is directly given. Another similar, these are the R is the same hydraulic depth. These are found out by area of the section and the wetted perimeter, and S is also, these are the bed slope. Okay. So these two formulas are used for the find out the velocities in the open channel flow. Okay, thank you.